Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to connect to Windows Server 2019 from Linux CentOS remotely. So for that, what we will check first. The first prerequisite is in Windows Server, OpenSSH is server is required. OpenSSH server should be installed. So without that, let me check first. This is our Linux machine. Here, if I type SSH, it will give you this. Now I will type to connect to Windows machine like CLE. I will type SSH IP to test at the rate IP of Windows machine. Enter. It is hanging here. It is not connecting. That means as we need to check that SSH server is available in Windows machine or not. So I will cancel this, and now we will go our Windows machine. This is our Windows machine. We will first check SSH is available here or not. So how we will check that? We will just type we'll go apps and features. Just type app. It will go you to. We will go to default apps and features. Here we will go to manage optional features, and here we will check OpenSSH server is available or not. So here OpenSSH client is available, but server is not available. So how we will install that? We should install it. We'll click on add a feature, and here we will search for OpenSSH server. So just here we can see OpenSSH server is here. Click on it. This install button will come. Click on install. So this is refreshed now, so I think it is installed. If we check again now, so this OpenSSH server client and server both are here now. So after that, second thing we need to do is, after installation of OpenSSH server, second thing we need to do is we need to check services. We will go to services. We will search here OpenSSH server. This is OpenSSH server. Right click, properties, and this manual we will change it to automatic. Apply, start. This service has been started, running automatic. Now we will go to our Linux machine. Again we will type the same command, SSH username autotest @ Windows machine IP. See, now it is not hanging. It is asking for your permission. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes or no? So if you type yes, it will ask you for password. But if you want that this warning should not come, then one thing you can do is, I will type Control Z. So if you want this warning should not come, so what you will do, you need to type one more option which is available. You need to type SSH-O strict host key checking, no, and then auto test, and then this warning will not come for you. If this warning comes, doesn't matter, you just type yes, it will continue. It will ask for password and you need to type password. But if you want this warning should not come, then you need to add in SSH command, you need to add -o strict host key checking is equal to no, and your username and that IP. So now see, this IP is not coming. It is saying permanently added this host key to the list of hosts. This is permanently added. Now it will not ask. Now it is asking for your password. You need to type password. See, this is connected. Now we are connect from Linux box to Windows box. This is our Windows directory it is showing. Now if you type any command, Windows command like dir, it will give you all the files and directories which are inside this C users autotest. Okay. Now like this, we can connect from Linux server to Windows server using SSH.